whatever he decided to do, he was going to do it well. He always wanted to do better than anyone else. Always.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Not a whole lot, man. This is Eddie, man. Do you remember me? I know it's been a while.
Yeah. You made me the picture. That picture is amazing. Every time I look at it, it's still awesome.
Yeah, I still do that, man. Photography.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was thinking about maybe upgrading pistol, you know, because the one that I had, it was an expensive gun, and now it's becoming a habit and
What,
a hobby. And
buying guns is becoming a habit?
Well, yeah, I'm going to the range at least three times a week, man, and I'm pretty good.
You must make pretty good money doing the photography thing if you can go to the range 3 times a week. You still there?
Maybe. No, but I was like, why do I need an AR pistol?
Yeah. No,
Yeah,
I
can you
do.
hear me?
I do this. Yeah, I can hear you. I do the same thing. I just bought 2 new ones the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so the Elite.
Steven, can you hear me?
Yes. Hold on a second. Let me call you back, okay? 15 6. Louder.
Yes, Eddie.
Okay. Hopefully that'll be a little better.
Yeah, that's a lot better, but
Okay. So, what was I going to say? The Kydex, I love them. The one I have, I'm so glad I got it. But it's more of like a competition pistol instead of the Elite. I looked at the Elites. That one's about like $600.
And well, it depends where you buy it. I mean, if you go into the website, the one that I like, the Elite Combat, is like almost $850.
Yeah, they're expensive. I would have gotten that one, but it was a little out of my price range. But no, if you get it, I guarantee you, if you don't like it, I'll buy it back. I'll buy it from you. You'll love it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you will love it. Everybody that I've talked to, and me going out there and just handling it, it feels really good in your hand.
Yeah. I look at the other Kydex, and for some reason, it was just the Elite, Executive, and the Compact.
Right.
Actually, they feel really good in my hand.
Yeah.
You know, and the trigger is just amazing, though.
Yeah, you don't have to do anything to them unless you just want to. Unless you just want to pimp it out or something.
Well, no, I mean, this is for home defense, but like, you know, once I go to the range, I must. I mean, it's just the one that I haven't had a malfunction. I see.
Right.
And I put, I don't know, 9,000 rounds through it.
Wow.
It still runs like a charm.
Yeah.
But no, like I said, it's an inexpensive pencil.